estás haciendo?
I'm only painting my Xbox.
Chingaderas. Vas a quebrar como el pinche PS o como se llama esa chingadera.
PlayStation 2.
Ya no estoy grabando, quítate chingadera de ahí.
No. Alright, next step is to simply remove the green screws. Do not remove the black ones. If you remove the black ones, you're going to open up the inside of the Xbox. You have to only unscrew this one to take the shell off. Just give me my phone. After you have removed the screws, you're simply gonna flip it and just pop it out. The front side should be last because that's where like the power button and the disc is. You have to push it forward to take it all off. I got it to open. Just simply hold this right here under it, and then under this too, and it should pop off. Don't just pull it up because the thing's in the front, so you're just gonna like push it a little forward and then take it out. And yeah, look at how dirty my fan is. See, this is like perfect. So like if your Xbox is starting to get hot, you know, every time you play, you could simply just remove this and then start cleaning it there. And if you have like pressurized air in like a can, you could like just clean off the Xbox. And yeah, I thought you can take this off. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. Right? I won't damage it, right? Nah, I probably will. And so, I'm not gonna paint that. I'll just paint this. Yeah. I'll just need to tape that off and tape that off. And, yeah. Alright, awesome. You just simply need to clean it off now. And after you clean it off, you can paint however you want. And yeah, that's how you open up the Xbox. Xbox One S. Xbox One, I think it's differently. So, yeah. The type of screws, it is the same exact ones as... Wait, I better focus. Hold on. It's the same exact screws for the controller. So if you opened up the controller and you want to paint up the Xbox too, you can use the same exact one. But yeah, that's that one. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, go on and drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.